Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
Call 911 immediately and use speakerphone so you can follow dispatcher instructions. Stay calm and speak slowly, giving your full name and exact location. If you are on a cell phone, provide the nearest cross street and city. Tell the dispatcher the type of emergency in one clear sentence. Mention if anyone is unconscious, not breathing, or bleeding severely. Do not hang up. Stay on the line until the dispatcher tells you to end. Give a building address, floor number, and apartment or suite when possible. If you cannot find an exact number, describe the nearest intersection and city. Use nearby landmarks such as stores, parks, mile markers, or a blue highway sign. Say distances like 10 yards or 100 meters and directions like northbound or left side. Mention any access issues such as locked gates, security desks, or dogs. Repeat the location slowly if the dispatcher asks for confirmation. Describe injuries, breathing status, and the number of people affected clearly. Say if someone is unconscious, not breathing, choking, bleeding heavily, or having chest pain. Follow dispatcher instructions for CPR, choking, or stopping bleeding exactly and do not improvise. If safe, unlock doors, turn on interior and exterior lights, and move to an open area for emergency responders. Inform dispatch about hazards like fire, chemicals, or active violence. Conclude by confirming help is on the way and await arrival while staying on the line.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.